Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're diving into something truly mind-blowing, just how small things can get. We'll be using an awesome tool called cell size and scale to zoom in from something as familiar as a coffee bean all the way down to a carbon atom. Along the way, we'll explore the size and scale of different objects and discover how the tiniest building blocks of life are connected to the bigger things we see every day. Let's get started. Alright, let's begin our zoom from something you might have had this morning, a coffee bean. Next, we pass by a grain of rice, a sesame seed, and even a grain of salt, which is just half a millimeter wide. But now things start getting interesting. We've entered the microscopic world where we find an amoeba, a single-celled organism that's still visible under a microscope. Even smaller is the paramecium, another tiny organism, and then a human egg, one of the largest cells in the human body. Now, zooming further, we come across a photoreceptor, which helps us see, followed by a skin cell, and then a sperm cell, one of the smallest in the body. Finally, we arrive at a red blood cell, essential for carrying oxygen throughout your body. Here we also see the X chromosome, which carries genetic information that makes you who you are, and baker's yeast, a single-celled organism used to make bread rise. Next, we reach the powerhouse of the cell, the mitochondrion, followed by the lysosome, which helps break down waste in the cell. Then we see E. coli, a common bacterium. But we're not done yet. Things are about to get even tinier. Here comes the measles virus, the influenza virus, and even HIV, which are all much smaller than bacteria. We also pass a phage, a virus that infects bacteria. Zooming in even further, we reach the hepatitis virus, the rhinovirus, which causes the common cold. And finally, the ribosome, the tiny machine inside your cells that builds proteins. At this point, we're seeing things at an unbelievably small scale. But guess what? We can go even smaller. As we continue zooming in, we come across an antibody, a crucial part of your immune system that helps fight off infections. Then there's tRNA, which plays a key role in building proteins, followed by hemoglobin, the molecule in red blood cells that carries oxygen. Next up, we see a phospholipid, which makes up the cell membrane, and methionine, one of the building blocks of proteins. Zooming further, we pass adenine, one of the letters in your DNA, and then glucose, a simple sugar that powers your cells. We're getting down to the molecular level now, where we find water molecules, the stuff that keeps us all alive. And finally, we reach the carbon atom, the fundamental building block of all living things, measuring just 340 picometers across. That's it. We've zoomed in from a coffee bean all the way to a carbon atom. It's amazing to think about how much complexity is hidden in things we can't even see with our eyes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep asking questions and stay curious. See you next time.